way, smack it in the air. Legs moving side to side, smack it in the air. Legs moving side to side, smack it in the air. Shoulders moving side to side, smack it in the air.
Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? Today I'm bringing you guys a very exciting, dope, and new video to my channel. It is in collaboration with WowAfrican Wig. I had them send me a 613 wig. It's my first blonde wig ever, but I am gonna be trying this new watercolor method that everybody is trying out. I'm really interested in it. It's basically like dyeing hair in a matter of seconds instead of having to like go section by section and use a dye brush and use like 4 or 5 bottles. You can get away with using 1 or 2 bottles and dyeing a whole wig or your bundles and frontal. So I'm excited to try out this method. I've never tried it before. I'm real nervous, but hopefully and prayerfully it turns out popping. But before we hop into this video, if you are new to beauty gang, welcome boo. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video, because we are stupid lit over here. If you don't believe me, go ahead and check the comment section below and you will see multiple beauty gang members vouching for the fact that we are hella lit. So after you've done that and you've hit the subscribe button and the bell button, I'm gonna hop right into this video. So I do want to just try on this blonde wig for you guys real quick before I hop into this dyeing process, because I just want you guys to see how the wig was constructed right out the box. So give me 1 sec. Alright, y'all. This is I'm not ready for this yet. I did say this wig season is going to be very experimental with colors and whatnot, but I am not ready for blonde yet. But blonde hair does make dyeing hair way easier instead of having to lift the hair by bleaching it once or twice. So that's why I'm really into just getting 613 wigs and then dyeing them from there. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a close-up of the hairline real quick so we can see what we are working with. The hairline actually looks pretty good to me. I see they kind of did a little bit of like pre-plucking. The lace, as you can see, is transparent. There are no dark dots, so the knots do not need to be bleached. Yeah, this hairline is really, really, really nice. So I'm really excited. But yeah, y'all, a while ago, I guess I can take off this wig. A while ago, I had put a pot of water on the stove because you need to use hot water for this method. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that poured into the bowl and we're gonna get this your dig started. I'm nervous, but excited. Let's do it.
That's good.
is my final look, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm shook and I'm in love. This hair took so well. I feel like a little unicorn, a cute little unicorn. Oh my gosh, I told y'all this wig season we ain't playing. It's colors all season. I really want to experiment and like broaden my horizon and stuff. So this is definitely way outside my comfort zone, but girl, I was walking around IKEA, Longhorn Steakhouse, all these places confident as hell, like, and I peeped, people were looking at me and I was like, what are they looking at? Because I forgot that I have a lavender wig on, but I got a lot of compliments. I feel like it goes really well with my skin complexion. I'm just very pleased with this. I really originally was planning to do like 1B roots with the color to like play it safe or whatever, but I felt like that was going to take a longer time than just watercoloring the hair, 1. And then 2, I was like, let me try something real different and outside my comfort zone. So yeah, as you see, I bumped the ends a little bit. I added just layers right here in the front to try to layer the face a little bit. I did my thing with this wig, y'all. Let me give y'all a back view real quick. I really love how soft and silky this hair feels. It feels so good. Oh my goodness. But I do wish the hair was a little bit more dense because I'm really into like thick hair, and this hair is pretty like flat. Like I can make it do what it do, but I would have just preferred for it to be more dense. One more thing that's kind of odd about the wig construction. For some reason, the way they constructed the wig, the track is white. And I like to like tuck my hair behind my ear here, and you can kind of see it. You have to be looking real hard at me to peep that, but I peep it. So that's kind of annoying that that's not blended very well. But other than that, I feel like I did pretty decent. This has pretty much been the first wig that I've been able to install, and it doesn't feel like it's, well, I won't say any of the other ones feel like it's pulling my edges, but you know, like the lace doesn't have a lot of give, or like you really gotta like try to pull it. This like sits so comfortably on my hairline. I didn't have to like pull and tug at all. So I really love that, because my most previous wig, I had to take that off pretty much every night. I felt some uncomfortable tension on my edges with that wig, and I just don't play that when it comes to my edges. Whereas this one, like, there's no tension at all. Like I can raise my eyebrows, I don't feel anything, you know. Like I love that. I love that so much. So that was my only issues with this wig, that you can see this white track and that the hair isn't as dense as I would have liked. But other than that, this hair took so good with this color. Like watercolor is in, bro. Never will I go in and like dye bundles or dye a wig again. I just won't do it. I refuse, unless I'm making the roots dark or the roots a different color. Other than that, watercolor is the wave, and I am so excited to be trying new colors. So definitely be sure to comment below more color suggestions, because as you can see, I am completely open to new things. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do want to do my post notification shout out before I forget. So today's post notification shout out goes to Kayla M. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being a part of Beauty Gang, and thank you so much for being a part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly being shouted out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Then hit that bell button after you subscribe so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then on every new video of mine that you see, go ahead and hashtag Notification Squad, hashtag Notification Gang, hashtag Beautification, hashtag something to let me know you're a part of that ride or die circle and you have the potential to be shouted out. But yeah, y'all, all the products I used as well as the link to this hair is going to be in the description box below if you are interested. Again, definitely leave me color suggestions of what color you guys would like to see me try next. Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking good. I literally have lavender hair. Anyway, yeah, leave your color suggestions below. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. And until next time, guys, bye.
Shoot it sideways, smack it in the air. Legs moving side to side, smack it in the air. Legs moving side to side, smack it in the air. Shoulders moving side to side, smack it in the air. Way out heads I choose, I put it in the air.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you want. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty